Okay guys, welcome back. So I'm going to tell you a wee Bumble pattern. This one's called the Colton's Bumble. Now the hook in the vise is a Kamasan B175 and size 10. Ties probably size 10s, 12s. The thread that we're going to use is the uni thread. You don't want black. So I'll just come in a couple of mil behind the other hook. I'm just going to take my thread down just before we sort of start to go around the bend. Remove the waist tag. There's a wee gold tag on the fly. And I'm going to use the uni mailer in silver and gold in size 12. So a couple of turns. Catch this in. You only want a wee small tag on this, you don't want anything too big. Catch that in, trim away the waist. Then the tail, we're going to crest feather. Now this one here has been dyed a sunburst yellow, so it's a wee bit too long still. Just put it in the length of a wee check, just another wee bit. A couple of turns to catch that in, then we'll nip away the waist. The rib is an oval gold tinsel. That on my side, and then we'll work our thread forward, just tying everything in. We don't need to worry about lumps and bumps and all that sort of jazz. It's going to be a dub body, so let's work our thread back, tie it up against our tail to there. Now the body, this is a golden olive. Oh, where is it? Oh, down there. SLF. That's a very light golden olive. Now I'm not telling a variation of the flower or anything like that. This is the original dressing that I'm tying here. It's more like a beige type of colour. It's very light. Now you could use rather than using a dark thread, you could use a lighter coloured thread. So stretch that out a wee bit. Work our dubbing right up. That point there. Now the hackles, it's two hackles. You're looking at a nice hot orange and a golden olive. Now you can put whichever hackle in front that you want first. I'm just going to go with the golden olive in front. So just clear a space on the stem to tie in the two feathers. We're just going to wind these down together. And we'll come in and trim away the waist ends. Now it's a great wee fly, this, for Loch Malvin. Also works on the other West of Ireland lochs, particularly Loch Cara. It's very good on Loch Cara. Now because it's a double hackle, I'm only taking one turn at the shoulder, and then two turns down the body is plenty. For me, follow this around with your oval gold tinsel. Bring that up through, break away the stems at the back. Bring your oval gold up in front. And catch this in. Nice and tight. And then when coming in, trim away the waste. Now, a bit of a tidy up here. Nice and tight. Then when coming with our Velcro. Just bring out just not happy with the way that orange tip come off at the back, so just going to take that out. Now, we're looking at the bee's knees. Next tackle, you're just looking at red breast feather, golden pheasant. Now you can have this much longer. Don't need to use I'm just using the smaller feather. So, stroke back the fibres to reveal the tip. Now for this up to the hook. Couple of turns, fold the tip back. And by folding the tip back, it just means that the hackle can never pull out. It'll have to break off really. And then you're looking 2 or 3 turns of this. And the original pattern was dressed by Mark Colton from Drumore. There's going to be plenty there, so just follow this around with our thread. A couple of tight turns, just forget everything else at the minute. All these wee fibres, just stroke them back. Just push them back. And then we'll bring our thread back up. Nice and tight. Then we'll get a wee look at the fly. We check, see what way we're sitting. That's good. And it's a great bob fly, this. Now the throat. You can use blue jay. Or what I'm going to do is, I'm going to use some just dyed blue guinea fowl. You can also wind it as well, if you wish. But I just put a wee throat on. So, just bring the fibres out from the stem. And then just take a pinch. Just offer these up underneath. Pinch and nip up the way. A couple of tight turns now. Always worthwhile having a wee check at this point. The way you're sitting. Happy enough for that. Another turn to secure. And then we'll come in and trim away the waste. Just tidy up. Now, that's the original dressing. There is no jungle cock on the original dressing, but these flies are for my box, so and I like the jungle cock's just a static really, it's just for the angler more. So I've got 2 small eyes here. Just offer these up to the hook. Around with a couple of turns. Alright, just check to see what way you're sitting. Sweet one here's moved. Just bring it up. And the length. Happy enough of that. Another turn to tighten up. Come in and fold everything back. Break away the stems of the jungle cock. And then just come in with a whip finish. your thread type, and we can trim away our tang thread. And that's the wee fly there, obviously, like I say, minus the jungle cat. And the first coat onto the head for me is just a wee drop of super glue. Right the whole way right round. Just give that a wee clean. Make sure the eye's clean as well. And there you go, guys. That's Colton's Bumble. Like I say, great fly for the Melbourne 10s and 12s, fished on the bob. It's got all the right colour combinations you want to see in a wee fly. And like I say, you can make the hackle at the front a wee bit longer, maybe out to here, and you can change the tail out till maybe a number 10 glow bright floss or something like that. Or it doesn't have to be a golden pheasant crest feather. So there you go, guys. As always, many thanks for taking the time to view the video. It's greatly appreciated. And if this is the first time watching one of my videos, please consider subscribing. It just helps the wee channel grow. And until the next time, take care of yourselves and each other. And all being well, I'll catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.